Welcome to Rangiroa.
Here we are, Rangiroa. We're just about to go to a pearl farm. So we're at Gogaz Pearl Farm. It's a bit of a dinghy ride over here. They have a nice little spot to put the dinghies.
So what I will show to you is the harvest of this shell. So this shell are 7 years old, about, okay? We have seed the shell the first time. We have harvest the first pearl. Non, ça c'est la première perle, hein? Ouais. No, we harvest the first pearls. They are 5 years old. And you can see the pearls. So the pearls are 9 millimeters, some are 10. This is the technique invented by the Australian to produce larger pearls. No, in Australia the shell live about 20 years, and they can seed the shell 7 times. That's why they have this kind of 18, 20, 22 millimeter in Australia.
Like it's good
Here,
every time?
Yeah. Here in French Polynesia, when we have a 16, we are very, very happy. Sometimes we can have larger than one, but it's really exceptional. Even the 16 grade A.
Well, we just got done at the pearl farm. We got some beautiful pearls. So cool. It's so interesting, the complexity of being able to get a pearl in the first place and how long it takes. And yeah, no wonder why they're so expensive for good pearls. The Tahitian black pearl was pretty much worthless until the mid-70s. I guess some guy in New York started selling them, and all of a sudden they just took off. So I don't really know the whole history behind that, but it's pretty interesting knowing that for a long time they had no use for them. The other interesting thing that I didn't know, the pearls that we get on necklaces and stuff aren't natural. You have to, there's always a bead inside to be able to start it, and the bead is actually part of a oyster shell. But yeah, it's they place that inside of it to make it grow. So pretty interesting. So crazy. Every day this happens numerous times around the boat. The fish push up little fish and then everybody goes crazy.
So I'm making Betty Crocker chocolate chips. First, what you want to do is you want to grab your butter. I already took it out of the fridge, and then I'm sitting it here because this is a warm place, but I'm sitting it here and letting it melt for about 10 minutes. This is cooking on the sea.
Okay, we've been hanging out here in Rangiroa, right in town, we've been here about a week. Been just messing around, little stuff here and there. Said our goodbyes to Marco yesterday. So sad. We love our Marco. He's been such a huge blessing to our family. But anyway, we'll see him again someday soon. He's going back to Italy for a graduation for his son. Anyway, we're going towards the southeast side of Rangiroa. There's a little teeny island that we're gonna try and anchor around. Us and another boat are going over there with a couple boys. So we'll go spend a couple of days over there and then come back here on Sunday for church. So a couple of things. We always have to run the water maker, and it seems like we run it about 1 hour every day. We make about 100 liters per hour, and it seems like if I run it an hour a day, it takes care of all of our needs. It's 30 miles. We sailed about 40 miles, averaged 8.9 knots. It's kind of a slow day. It just started raining so bad. Check out that big old monster. Good morning. Had such a fun time right here. It's always fun to get off the beaten path and just be in a quiet little area. The kids had an awesome time last night making a fire and cooking hot dogs. They didn't come back hungry, so apparently it was good. So we are just gonna motor, I don't even know, probably maybe 5 miles to another little spot to hang out for the night, get a little bit different scenery, and then we will head back to town tomorrow. It's Friday. Emerson has a little skin issue. We're not really sure what's going on, but he has to, we gotta run to the doctor in town and get a prescription for him to get it taken care of. So we need to be back at a relatively good time on Saturday. And we are off. Paradise. Wow, it's so beautiful. Kids have had fun on the T-wall, little tubing action. Now we're gonna go over to the shore and have a little exploration. So cool. Alright, we're just heading to the it's kind of southwest side of Makimo. Some people from church own one of the little islands on the outside of it, so we're gonna go over, and we met the family, but the husband's over there working right now. So we're gonna go over, say hello, and then later today, most likely, we're gonna head over to the Blue Lagoon. It's apparently amazing, lots of little sharks and stuff, so we're excited. Beautiful sailing. We're cruising, it's like 11, 12 knots, having fun. We have like 20 knots of wind. I think I saw 35-ish knots. We just had to go straight into the wind and chill for a minute. It got pretty wild. This is how you welcome guests, right? Ah. My mind is blown. So this little teeny island, I have some drone shots of it. He's out here. There's all kinds of trees and stuff, but he's dug this well. So it's water from the sea that seeps through all the gravel and the coral, and it comes here. And it's never dried out, but he has a couple wells with pumps on them, and that's how he waters all of his produce and stuff. It's amazing, so cool. Thing's cut a lot of coconuts in its life. So we've just come out to the outside of the island and on the outside of Rangiroa, but it's so crazy over here. It's like, I don't know exactly, but over 1,000 feet deep, just barely past that. We are off to Makatea. We're sitting here wondering what to do. We've seen a lot of Rangiroa. You could spend forever here, but we have kind of a window to get there. Makatea is like 50 miles between here and Tahiti, so we're gonna stop there. Hopefully there's a few mooring balls that I guess you can catch, and then we will head down to Tahiti. Hey guys, woo! there's so many. So cool. Say welcome to
Where? Makatea.
Makatea.
Welcome to Makatea.
This is all vanilla. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Well, we're going on one last walk in Makatea, and then we are heading off to Tahiti. And it's like 120 miles, I think. So it's about 2:30 in the afternoon. It should take about 14 hours or so. So we're just kind of burning time today so we don't arrive in the dark. So we've just enjoyed the Tuamotus and all the wonderful people that we've met and been able to see. It's been so beautiful. Anyway, we're gonna wrap this video up and look forward to having you next week.